Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome to Pabbly. So now today I am going to tell you how you can add Calendly invitees to SendGrid as subscriber. Now Calendly is an application which is used for having appointments or for booking appointments, and SendGrid is a platform which is a cloud-based platform, and I should say cloud-based SMTP platform, where it will allow you to send emails without maintaining servers. Now what we are going to do, whenever a new invitee is created in Calendly, automatically the details of that invitee will be sent to SendGrid account and a new contact will be added in your SendGrid account. Now you can use those contacts as leads, or you can use those contacts for different kinds of purposes, to send promotional mails or to send promotional messages. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Calendly and SendGrid together. Now, if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back at our screen. So what I have to do, I have to go to the address bar and type in pabbly.com/connect. And as soon as I will press enter, you will be redirected to this beautiful web page. Here you can see I have two options. Either I can sign in or I can sign up. Now signing in is very easy. If you already have an account, you can go for sign in. Otherwise, you will have to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month from our side, so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you, okay? Now, I already have an account here, so I'll just go for sign in. And here, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to log into my account. And after that, you will see that I will have my softwares here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on Access Now for Pabbly Connect. And here, you can see I have been redirected to this page here, and I have several automations already made here. Now I am going to make a new automation for you all, and to do that I am going to create a new workflow, and to create a new workflow I will click on this button, Create Workflow. So let us give it the name Calendly to SendGrid. Now, because I am connecting Calendly to SendGrid, I am giving it this name. You can name it whatever you want to. Let's just click on create, and as soon as we will do that, you can see we have two windows here. First one is trigger, second one is action. Now, trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process. So, trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Let's just take our first trigger, which is Calendly, okay? So I am taking my Calendly account, and here I will just click on invitee created, because we are creating a new invitee here, and I will click on connect. So how are you going to connect your Calendly account? I will click on add new connection, and this is my Calendly account. Okay, I have already opened it. Now how to connect it? You have to log into your Calendly account. You can get your API key from Calendly account and integrations. So we are going to connect it through an API key. Go to Calendly, go to your account, here into integrations, and now here just search for API and webhooks, and now from here you can take your API key. So just scroll down, copy this API key, go back and paste it here. Now click on save. So you can see now your Calendly account is successfully connected to your Pabbly Connect account. Now what we are going to do, we are going to click on save and send test request. And as soon as we will do that, it will say waiting for response. So what we have to do, we have to take the response from Calendly account to our Pabbly Connect account. And how we are going to do that? We are going to fill in a booking page, which I have already created here. So let me just show you that booking page. So this is the booking page. You can see 30-minute meeting, and I will just view it. And as soon as I will fill out this booking page, what will happen? A response will come here for me in my Pabbly Connect account. So let us just do that. This is my booking page. Here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to choose a date. I'm choosing 18 now, and the meeting is starting at 10:30 a.m. So let's just confirm it. Let me just give it the name Arpit. Last name is Sharma. Email is arpitsharma@gmail.com. Okay. And as soon as I will click on schedule event, you will see a new response will come to me here in Pabbly Connect. And as you can see, I have this new response here. And the name is Arpit Sharma. arpitsharma@gmail.com is the full name. Full email. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to go here And now we are going to choose our next action step. So what we are going to do, we are going to choose here SendGrid. Okay. And here we are going to choose the action add or update a contact, because we are adding or updating a new contact here. Now what we are going to do here, I'm just going to click on add new connection, and here you can see how you are going to add new connection. You have to follow these steps. They are very easy, and you can just add new connection by following these steps. So we are going to take the API key and put it here. To take the API key, we have to go to settings, API keys, create API key, choose full access and click on create. So let's just do this. Go to settings, API keys, create API key. Here, give it the name. Create API key, give it the name. I am giving it the name Calendly to SendGrid. Okay. Choose full access, click on create and view. Now you can see this is our API key. Just copy this whole API key, go back to your Pabbly Connect account and paste it. Now what will happen, as soon as you will click on save, your SendGrid account will automatically be connected to your Pabbly Connect account. Now you can see here we have an option for list. So we can choose whatever the list we want to, and let me show you what is this list. Go to marketing, go to contacts, and in contacts you will see certain types of lists are available here. First one is all contacts, second one is Elementor Forms, Google Forms, Razorpay and Typeform contacts. So you can see here we have Google Forms, Elementor Forms, Razorpay and Typeform contacts. So what we are going to do, let me just choose this list, Google Forms. Okay. Otherwise, I have to make a new list and it will just take some time. So I do not want to waste your time. And that is why I am selecting Google Forms. And let me just show you Google Forms. We have only 2 contacts here. Let me just open this. So you can see I have 2 contacts here, akash.bhelkar@gmail.com and garymonroe677@gmail.com. Now we are going to add Arpit Sharma@gmail.com to this list. Now how we are going to do that? You can see the list is Google Forms. I do not have any address line 1 or address line 2 from my Calendly account. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to map in these details what I already have. Now to do mapping, what I'm going to do, mapping will let me take the data from this window here. Okay, and it will let me put the data here in this window. So what I am going to do here, I am just going to map in my email first, because it is asking me for my email, and my email is this, arpitsharma@gmail.com. First name is Arpit. Okay, and last name is Sharma. Oh, I'm really sorry for that. Let me just delete this. Arpit and Sharma. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on save and send test request, and as soon as I will do that, you can see we have a new job ID here, and this is the job ID, which means our automation is successful. And now let's go back to our SendGrid account and refresh it, and let's see if our connection is here or not, if our new member is here or not. And you can see we do not have our member here right now. Now why is that? Now it is happening because we are using a polling trigger to send data from one application to another application. Now in this case, first application is our Calendly application and second application is SendGrid. So what will happen whenever we are doing this automation, Calendly will take some time to send data to the SendGrid application. And that is why you have to wait for a few seconds or a few minutes. So let's see again by refreshing if we have our data or not. And if, okay, you can see now I have my data here, and it took about 50 seconds or 55 seconds to have my data here. It can also take 2 to 5 minutes for you. So do not panic. Your data will absolutely come here. Now let us try it with a different name. So let me just put in a new date and a new name. Let's go for 10 a.m. Confirm. First name is Swati. Last name is Sharma. Email is swatisharma@gmail.com and schedule event. Now what will happen as soon as I will do that, my new member or a new addition will be added here in the list of Google Forms. And as soon as I will refresh it, it might come, it might not come because of the polling trigger. So you can see we do not have this. So let us just wait for a few seconds and I will come back after a few seconds and we will see if we have our entry here or not. And you can see I have this new member here, swatisharma@gmail.com, and let me tell you, it took 2 minutes for this contact to come here and add it into the, and to get added into our Google Forms list through Pabbly Connect. Now, this is how you can set up this automation, and whenever a person or an invitee will be created in your Calendly account, an automatic contact upgrade, or I should say a contact will automatically be added or updated in your SendGrid account. Okay, now this automation is very useful and it can be very handy for you all. And if you want to learn this automation, I've already told you how to do this. If you want to clone this automation, you can just go to my description box and clone it into your account. But for that, you need to have an account on Pabbly. And my friend, to do that, you need to go and sign up. So signing up is absolutely free. And we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So do not wait. Go and sign up quickly. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.